In this question, the function is given in the form of s is equal to f of psi, and we have to find radius of curvature. Okay, we know radius of curvature of this type of curve is ds upon d psi, means change in s with respect to psi. Okay, so we have to derivative of this thing with respect to psi. So derivative of this is a, and derivative of log function is tan psi plus secant psi. Now derivative of tan psi is secant square psi plus derivative of secant psi is secant psi tan psi. Now we will derivative of this thing. A, derivative of tan psi is secant square psi, and secant psi is as it is, plus a tan psi is as it is, and derivative of secant psi is secant psi tan psi. Okay, now this thing is a upon tan psi plus secant psi, and we take common from this secant psi, and here we get secant psi plus this tan psi, plus from here is tan square psi and secant square psi. We can take common secant psi. We take common a secant psi, and inside the bracket is secant square psi plus tan square psi. Okay, cancel out. Here we get a secant psi, and here a secant psi, and inside the bracket secant square psi and plus tan square psi. We can take common a secant psi, and inside the bracket we get 1 plus secant square psi plus tan square psi, and this thing is a secant psi. 1 plus tan square psi, 1 plus tan square psi is secant square psi, and plus this secant square psi, and we got a secant psi into 2 secant square psi, and the answer is 2a secant cube psi. This is our radius of curvature. Okay, this is fourth part of question number 1. Here we also find radius of curvature. So function is given in the form s is equal to f of psi. Okay, and when the function is given in this form, then to find radius of curvature we have to find change in s with respect to change in psi, or we can say we have to find derivative with respect to psi. And derivative with respect to psi of this function is 4a, and derivative of sin psi is cos psi. So this is our answer. This is our radius of curvature. Okay, this is our second question. In this question the function is given s is equal to f of x, and we know to find radius of curvature we have to find derivative of s with respect to psi, but here psi is not given. Then keep one thing in mind, and this is a triangle, and this is psi, and this angle is psi, and this is dy, and this is dx, and this thing is ds. Okay, and tangent psi is perpendicular upon base dy upon dx. Sin psi is equal to dy upon ds, and cos psi is equal to dx upon ds. So here we will derivative with respect to s, okay? And derivative with respect to s is 1 is equal to c e की power x upon c dx upon ds and 1 upon c. From c to c is cancelled out. So 1 is equal to e की power x upon c dx upon ds. dx upon ds is equal to cos psi. So this thing is equal to e की power x upon c into cos psi. And e की power x upon c is equal to s by c. So this thing is equal to s by c cos psi. So we get 1 is equal to s by c cos psi. From here we can find s in the form of psi. So s is equal to c secant psi. Now derivative of s with respect to psi is equal to c secant psi tan psi, and this thing is c secant psi, and we can write tan psi is equal to secant square psi secant square psi minus 1, and this thing is c secant psi is equal to s upon c into s upon c, and secant square psi is s square upon c square minus 1. From c to c cancel out. This thing is equal to s by c, s square minus c square. This is our radius of curvature. Okay. And this is question number 3, and the function is given in the form of fxy. Okay. So fxy is equal to root x plus root y minus 1. Okay. We have to find radius of curvature of this function at the point 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. So first we find fx, derivative with respect to x. So derivative with respect to x is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative with respect to fy is 1 upon 2 root y. Derivative of fx again with respect to x, or we can say double derivative of f is 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x to the power 3 by 2. fyy is equal to 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2 and into 1 upon y to the power 3 by 2. And derivative of this thing or this thing with respect to another variable is 0. So now at value of fx at this point, suppose this point is our p. At point p is equal to 1 upon 2 and this is 1 upon 2. Cancel out, this is 1, and value of fy at p is also 1. And value of fxx at point p is minus 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so this thing is minus 1 upon 4 into 4 to the power 3 upon 2. So this thing is 1 upon 4 into 4 into 4 to the power 1 upon 2, and this thing is 1 upon 4 into 4 into root 4. 4 to 4 cancel out, and this thing is minus 2. So value of fyy at point p is equal to also minus 2. Okay, now formula of radius of curvature is equal to, this is rho and this is point p, both are the different things. So radius of curvature fx square plus fy square, and the whole power is 3 upon 2 divided by fxx fy square minus 2fxy fxfy plus fyy fx square. Okay, fx is 1, square of 1 is 1, and this is also 1, is power 3 by 2 upon fx xx, this is minus 2 into 1 minus, this thing is 0, and this thing is fyy is also minus 2, and this thing is 1. So this thing is 1 plus 1 2 power 3 by 2 upon minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4, and this thing is 2 into 2 into 2 the power 1 upon 2 upon minus 4. So this thing is equal to 2 root 2 upon minus 4, and this thing is root 2 upon 2, and this thing is minus 1 upon root 2. So this is the radius of curvature, and radius cannot be negative, so radius of curvature is 1 upon root 2, because radius is an absolute value. So radius of curvature, this function is 1 upon root 2. This is our question number 4. Find the radius of curvature. Find the radius of curvature of the curve y is equal to e to the power x at the point where it crosses the y-axis. So we know the graph of y is equal to e to the power x. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. The graph of e to the power x is this. Okay, e to the power x. Fx is equal to e to the power x. And this point is, when I put x is equal to 0, this point is 0, 1. Okay, so we have to find radius of curvature of this curve at this point. Okay, and the function is given in the form y is equal to f of x. So first we have to find y1, means dy upon dx. So dy upon dx of this function is e to the power x, and d square y upon dx square of this function is also e to the power x. Okay, and at this point, value of y1 at 0, 1 is equal to e to the power 0, this is 1, and value of y2, this is our y2, means derivative, second derivative of y at point 0, 1 is also 1. So formula for radius of curvature of this type of function is 1 plus y1 square the whole power 3 by 2 upon y2. So this thing is equal to 1, and y1 is our 1, so this is 1 to the power 3 by 2 upon y2 is 1, so this thing is 1 plus 1 2 to the power 3 by 2, so this thing is equal to root 8, or we can write 2 root 2. So radius of curvature of this function at this point is 2 root 2. Okay, I hope you will understand this question.